Hello, this is Maria here. Welcome to my channel and thank you for coming back. If you're new here, this is Maria Creative Mind, and today I'm sharing with you the making of this envelope out of a chocolate packaging. It is always good, it is always nice to have an envelope inside your journal because there we can keep secrets, you can do invisible journaling, and we can do amazing projects out of this first part that is making the envelope. So as you can see, when I saw this envelope, I got this idea. This is so perfect, even the flaps. Everything was useful. I just need to trim a little bit of the cardstock and then the envelope was ready in a blink of an eye. Also notice that I'm using the inner part of the envelope or of the packaging to make the envelope. So that way everything is going to be white. It's like an empty canvas in which I can build or I can glue or I can paint. I can do wherever I want it. And I don't need a background. I don't need to do anything on the bottom part of the creation, let's say it that way. So as you can see here, another idea that is very useful and that I want you to see is that I'm gluing all the flaps inside or on the inside of the envelope. The cardstock is really sturdy, so it's really nice. And what I'm doing is like making sure that the glue is acting and is keeping everything in place. And also I was inspired for this project in this image that I have from a kitty cat that is so nice and so beautiful. And sometimes when I collect my images, I'm just trying to look for things that caught my attention, things that I like, things that have purpose and they have different shapes. So I can have rectangles, I can do circles, I can do squares, just in case some of a project comes up like this one and I need a big rectangle image. This kitty cat was perfect for this. So as you can see here, I'm just applying glue, and this is just regular water glue. And now I'm gonna apply the little kitty cat. As you can see, he has a beautiful face, and look at those eyes. And then it says, look at this face. That's the letters on top of the image. So as you can see here, everything is so perfect. And whenever you need to do something like this, what I'm trying to show you is that the image itself can help you to keep all the things in place. Like we're gonna have here glue, so I can just fold that on top of the previous two parts of the envelope that I was gluing together. So this is the best way to keep things in place. I love it. Most of the time I do this, like gluing a little flap from the image on the back of my cardstock, my cards, my tags. This is what I'm usually do. Here I'm measuring just in case I chop the word face, so it's mostly perfect. So I need to do something else to cover that blue that is popping up from that flap, and I'm making sure that I have my letters intact because I want to have that look at this face completely perfect to glue it on top of the kitty cat. Also, I have a butterfly and some embroidery thread that is in orange tones, so I can keep going with the motif of the letters that says, look at this face. In order to cover that blue, you can leave it open, you can leave it in blue in the original color, but if you want to be more perfectionist and you want to have it like all the same theme or scheme of colors, then you can use any piece of paper, of scrapbook paper, or anything that you have around in your stash to cover that flap of the envelope. And as you can see here, it's so perfect. I can't believe it. And it has the little flap popping up like on the files and all the cards on the Rolodex. So I love it. And I can promise you, this is not going to be my only one envelope. I'm going to keep doing more of this. The only thing is that I need to eat more chocolate, and sometimes you know how it is. So anyway, you can collect this packaging from your family, your friends, and once they know that you do this, they're gonna save them for you. Okay, so now I'm going with the letters. Look at, I decided to separate them so I can have one on top that I have a plenty of space, and the other one I'm gonna put it like on top of one of the paws. I think it's really cute. Okay, I'm just streaming out and allow it to be almost only the letters. Like I can zoom it in a little bit and get rid of all the surroundings that I don't need. And then I can put it on the envelope and it's gonna be almost done. Another important thing that I wanna tell you is that always look for some details. And here I'm using these oil pastels. I'm gonna be leaving you videos of how useful are these pastel oils or oil pastels. I use them all the time, and they're easy to use. They last for a long time and they are very flexible. They allow you to play with a lot of techniques. So wait for that video, and I'm gonna leave it probably link in the description down below. The video is still not on, but I'm working on it, and I'm going to show you how to use those pastel oils in different ways. So that orange color was amazing. I love it. It's shiny, it's vibrant. So I didn't think like 2 times to decide for this thread to give it more texture and volume to this amazing envelope. I think that the cat is really happy because this is an amazing envelope. The last thing I want to tell you is how can you use this envelope. You can use it for a present, even it's the size of a bill, of a dollar bill, so you can use it to give a present to somebody. You can use it for gift cards. You can use it as an invisible journaling, and then glue the envelope in your journal, or just keep it in your journal with a clip or inside a tuck spot. So the possibilities are endless, and I just want you to get inspired and to collect all your packaging. So there is always something nice that you can do with it. Thanks for being here, and I remember that this is our sacred space for creativity and self-discovery. Our hands are magical and we can do amazing things only using our creativity. So I'm going to be waiting for you to share another project in another video and another episode. So subscribe here in this button, and if you like this kind of videos, give me a thumbs up. Bye bye. I see you soon. Bye friends. Bye bye.